What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, you know, some boy, some of them news, yeah, some of them article, yeah, people. Me can't take them, you know. You understand? But me have to read them for me to hear what go on in the people. Me can't take them, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Because when me hear them something, yeah, or me see them something, yeah, people, and me have to get mad pal, Minister of Security, me have to get mad pal, put everybody, you know what I mean, people? Because not because it's a member for them thing, you know, people. I talk about no question of them thing, you know. Because me believe some people, everybody who did that in that culture, something that people, them need to get locked up. Them need to get locked up, people. Saying every one of them. Because no information that come to me, you know, people. Based on this article, say a police officer, a female, was also among the group of people in the cult business of the church, my people. Attack them the New Link. Eh? Yo, I be evilest people they are roading up people. Oh my pearl, oh my precious New Link. So let me just read this thing, you know, people. Because yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. A police woman is among the group of persons now being questioned following the operation where 3 persons have died after police raided a religious-based organization in Albion, St. James. The development has been confirmed by the Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, of the police force. Police said a team of law enforcement personnel went to Paradise Crescent in Albion, and upon their arrival, a group of persons was observed taking cover and creating a cordon around the premises of a religious-based organization. The security personnel later managed to gain entry to the facility, and at that time, shots were fired at members of the raiding party. A shootout ensued, a police source told news. After the gun battle, a search was conducted and it was observed that the body of a female was lying face down dressed in white. Sources reported that the throat of the female has been slashed. There are speculations that this was done as part of a religious ritual. Police sources reported that another male was seen alive laying on his stomach with chopped wounds and gunshot wounds to his back. That individual was said to have stated that he had been shot and stabbed by a member of the religious-based organization. Another male was seen lifeless at the location. A camera was also found at the location. It has not yet been established whether the device was being used to record the strange developments at the premises. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. Some people, no joke about this now. On a real level, my people. Zine, police among the group, which a lot of different type of, you hear Juta tours, a whole heap of different type of people I got them something of people. You get me? And that's something I tell us, say, I be an evilest thing I go on in Jamaica. Be an evilest thing, my people. And boy, only just sees and he knows, you know. You know what I mean? Only just sees and he knows, my people. So police comes so boom, go up the people, then beat shot off a police return shot, police return fire, people shoot out, ensued with police and them, my people. So a badness are going up at this, sitting here, you know, people. Up at this a place so them call him church, you know. A badness, gunman, criminal, thief, police, everybody got this or something here. See? So that's why I tell some people, everybody who was among the group of people, yes sir, them need to get locked up. So nobody come talk about police a question and this and that. Them need to lock them up, people. Them need to go to prison. I want bag of criminal them, all of them need to charge murder. See? All of them. Oh my pearl, oh my precious New Link. Eh? What a thing me say, cow, goat and this and that they have up there, you know. One bag of stuff them are going with up there, you know, people. Boy, Jamaica, no sir. I cannot believe how crazy this world is going right now. But look at our local island, look at our local country, people. And when we have seen some of things that go on, me talk about it already and again. Squaddy, you say you are attack for you. Anyway, the squaddy attack for you. What you are got this a church of you do? What you do want gain fame, want gain top ranking of the force? What you want to do? Protect yourself. What you doing at the church? What New Link take you back? Take you to your mouth and a church that New Link. What you doing at the same thing? What you mix up in yourself? Where you going with Quaggy? Oh my girl, oh my precious New Link. My people, me tell us a straight attack. For every one of them who not that dirty thinking thing ya. All of them are attack. From the one of them calling him Chasta, to the one of them calling him Creekan, to the one of them calling him choir people, to the one of them calling him the bearer, to the one of them calling him the cheerer, the flarer, the mirror, the tearer. Every one of them are attack. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. My people, big up on yourself. Jamaica. No, sir, people.